Good.
We've seen you come here under difficult conditions.
Very
We've seen you leave abruptly
Yes.
when the Right Honorable Raila Odinga just arrived.
Yes.
What happened?
I came here because I'm a member of ODM and a member of Azimio. And when we walked in, the boys who blocked me and said I will not come in. And after that, I was allowed in. When Baba walked in, one of his close security asked me to walk out. That's what happened. I walked out. Yes.
How do you feel? How does that make you feel?
I feel bad because I love Baba. I'm a member of ODM, and I really feel bad. Yes.
Do you regret?
I can't regret meeting president because I'd gone there in my own capacity, but it's because they called me for development issues. And I still repeat, I feel bad that I can't attend the meeting when Baba is here, and you know very well what I've done for the party myself, what the journey we've been, and I'm happy that it has taken a different turn.
If at some point they ask for forgiveness for your apology, would you be willing to render your apology for that attempt?
To apologize. To apologize. Having met the president, there's an apology about it. I went there for development. You don't apologize when you go on and you been called.
Does this interfere with the relationship between you and Azimio?
Oh, maybe it will.